Hey folks, old Creaky Bones here with my best friend Luann. I got Luann back in 2007 in Shreveport, Louisiana. I'm going to play you an original song I wrote in 2007 with Luann here. I wrote it in a dirty hotel room, Longview, Texas, called The Rain Keeps On Falling. I hope you folks like it. Picking this guitar and drinking all my wine, thinking about her and losing my mind, wondering if I can see her just one more time. And if this rain would let up, why that would be just fine. Rain, it keeps on falling, and I don't know why. Life, she keeps on rolling, just trying to pass you by. She said she loved me, that wasn't a lie. Rain, it keeps on falling, and I don't know why. Trying to move on is the hardest part of life. She never wondered, she just turned and said goodbye. I'll never change if I never try. Rain, it keeps on falling, and I don't know why. Things that I do, I can't explain why. I guess I won't know until the day that I die. And when my life is over, said my last goodbye, the rain will still be falling, and I won't why. Rain, it keeps on falling, and I don't know why. Life, it keeps on rolling, just to trying to pass you by. She said she loved me, that wasn't a lie. Rain, it keeps on falling, and I don't know why. I love you all.